Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Marvel Rivals on PC for Windows 11 or 10. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, decide which launcher you would like to use. For example, we have here Steam and Epic Games. Let's say you already have Steam on your computer or Epic Games. You can go ahead and select one, and then, for example, for Steam, just go ahead over to Store, find Marvel Rivals, just like so, and click on the ones right here from the search results. And then after that, you want to scroll down a bit and just click on Play Game. Okay? Click on it, and now it will ask you which drive you'd like to install the game. So just click on Install, wait for the process to finish, and once that's done, it will be added right here in your library. Just click on it, and then just hit on Play. Now, another option for Epic Games, it's basically the same thing. Go ahead over to the search bar and find Marvel Rivals. Okay, now click on it. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go and scroll down a bit. Now in here we have Buy Now or Get Now, or sometimes it will be in your library if you already have it. Okay, so don't worry, it's totally free. Just click on this big blue button and then just click on Install. And after that, you're good to go. That is how you download and install Marvel Rivals on PC for Windows 11 or 10. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.